Click and drag to select range D4 through D5. In the Styles group on the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting button. The Conditional Formatting menu opens. On the menu, click Manage Rules. The Conditional Formatting Rules Manager opens. You can edit a rule, create a new rule, or delete a rule. In the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager, click the cell value greater than sign. Click Edit Rule. The Edit Formatting Rule dialog box opens, where you can edit the rule type and description. You can also see a preview of the conditional formatting that will be applied. In the Edit Formatting Rule dialog box, under Format Only Cells With, click the greater than arrow. A list of options appears. Click Less Than. Instead of formatting cells whose value is greater than $500,000, the new rule will format cells whose value is less than $500,000. Click OK. The Edit Formatting Rule dialog box closes. Click OK. The Conditional Formatting Rules Manager closes. Excel applies the edited rule to the range.